you can see Hazel M, Mark S, Tamisa T, Mark H, Validin H, Ed P, LXM has just claimed their $5 PayPal money, and in the right side you can see there is a warning that you can make even more, around $972 or even more with this strategy. Just typing in Google. Is this even possible? Yeah, you heard it guys, it is possible.
Hey, I'm Hirak Avenger and I post videos on different ways of making money online. Shopify dropshipping store case studies, Shopify strategies for dropshipping, Facebook ads, Google ads strategies and much more just for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the post notifications so that you can get my videos notifications at the first and change your life forever.
I'm gonna show you how you can earn $5 per hour searching on Google, and it's for beginners like you as well. First thing, it's available for free and it's available worldwide. You can do this from any part of this world, sitting with any part of this world for free of cost. So rolling camera, intro. So searching in Google or even Bing or big companies can make you money. Yes, you heard that guys. The things that you usually do each and every day, you search in Google each and every day, and you are not getting paid for anything, but now you can get paid for each and every searches that you do in the Google. Yes, you heard this guys. There are billion dollar companies like Google, Bing as well. There are search engine companies that want to see and rank their pages according to the people searching on the Google. Suppose you are searching a term and the pages that are coming according to that, you rank those pages and you will be getting paid for this doing job. Is this sounding really easy guys? Yes, it is easy and you can make money with this, and in this video I'll be showing you exact ways how you can do this one. So make sure you stay till this end of this video. I'll be teaching you how to do this effectively. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is just watch this video completely till then without skipping a single part of this video so that you can understand each and every steps properly. Into Google and go to the Google. For example, we are searching some terms. For example, how to make money online, how to make money online or something. For example, some people are not able to, people are typing the correct words, sometimes some maybe typing some wrong words as well. So if they are searching some terms, is the search engine working and giving the good results? So here you can see, if I scroll down, there are different articles that has come up. Entrepreneurs 3 proven ways. So if you think that this is the good pages that has come up for the terms that I have searched, for example, how to make money, it should be money, but it should be there. Now some usually may be typing as money as well. If you think that this terms is according to the term, the pages that has come up is right, you can give as 4 out of 5 or 3 out of 5, whatever, 5 out of 5, and this is just your work. For example, I will type something more again. For example, what is the price of euro? So for example, what is the price of euro? What is the price of euro? So there is, you can see after this terms, it has come in Indian rupees. So if you think this was what you're looking for, and whatever search term you have typed in Google, the exact pages that has come up, you can just give a rating of 5 out of 5, or if it is not coming, then you can give it a rating of 1 out of 1. This 1 out of 5. So this is the literally work that you have to do, and you will be getting paid for this. And there are billion-dollar companies out there that are paying for you for doing these things only. This is literally the easiest way for making money online. So here you can see, I'll be showing you 2 websites that they're hiring you people like us for doing the same exact thing like this. So searching in Google or in the internet can make you money that I have shown you earlier. People are getting paid for doing this work. So why not you just start doing the work right now that I will show you how you can do this this one. For this, you need to go to again Google and you need to search one website called Appen, Appean, Appen.com. And here you can see I have gone to the Appen website, and here you can see they're posting each and every day jobs for flexible jobs for people like us for making money online. That you can see part-time jobs, flexible jobs are available, work that can be done from anywhere in the world. So as I have told earlier, this is worldwide. You can do it from any part of this world. So let us see what are the jobs that they're providing right now. So before that, I will show you what is the work that they have already done with the people. They find more jobs. They are providing more jobs that you love making, that people like us, that you loves to make money sitting at their home and work for home. They are there. This is the CEO of Appen. The AI, artificial intelligence, what the CEO says, the AI, artificial intelligence, depend on the people who collect and level the data. They are collecting the people data. According to that, they are selling to these companies like Google or Bing, big billion dollars companies. They are an mediator between us and the big dollar companies. The big dollar companies are hiring, giving the jobs to them, and they are hiring the people. They are outsourcing the people and giving the work done. So we are going to do the work for the Google, and we are getting paid for this. They help to make machine learning empowered solution, and we are formalizing our commitment to their well-being. This is the word the CEO of Appen is told. And let us see what are the things, affiliation that they have got. These are the awards that the Appen website has got. It has got around Technology Fast 500 2019 APAC winner as well from 2017 to 2019. Next thing, they have been recognized. You can see here they have been recognized by the Philippines Council of Organizations on Disability and Empowerment INC for practicing promoting diversities and inclusions of the workplace. That means people who cannot go out for doing the work can literally sit at the home and make money online with this website. So why not take this advantages and can make our own money? We are not. If some people are disabled also, they can do the work with sitting at the home. They are also 6-time winner in the Deloitte Technology Fast 50 Australia Award 2012 to 2019 as well. They are also recognized as the 6th in leadership and 7th the Technology Fast female as well. So let us scroll a little bit down and we'll see what are the jobs that are available that you can do literally right now. So there are 3 types of works that you can do. First is project type of works, qualify for long-term and part-time opportunities. Project, I like to go for surveys and data collection. So there are 3 types of work. I will go in each and every part and we'll show you what are the things that they're providing. So let us go for the first one. So I have opened up the first section that has come up. So you can see this is a legit work that you have to apply for this one. Appen is seeking candidates in different countries and languages, excitement work from home opportunities. Here you can see Appen is seeking candidates in different languages, different countries and languages for exciting work from home opportunities as well. These are, you can simply simple surveys that can be completed in less than an hour. So you can get paid within an hour, as I have told you earlier, guys. How do I apply? Simply click on a country residence below and complete a short registration form. That you have to what you need to do is you need to go to the which country you are from. For example, you are from Australia, you can give this Australian, and all the jobs that are available will be coming up in this. So next you need to show this one, and you can click on the language that you speak, and what is the delegate, and do all these requirements and can post for the work as a job requirement. Next thing that was micro task. There's work you can start right away. That you can start right away. You can start the work, doing the work right now, right away, and can get paid. Let us go. What is this one? How this works? We'll go for this one. So it has been coming up. What you need to do is you need to first go and again fill up your name, email address, password, and click and create an account. And in this work, what you can do is you need to do the same what I have told you. You need to just go to Google or in the search engine evaluator. You can work as a search engine evaluator and can get paid for this one as well. This is literally the simplest way you can do the work. Are you understanding, guys? What is the app and contributor portals and all these questions that they have already asked. Next, and you can get paid via PayPal as well as to your bank account as well. For let us concentrate in the PayPal payment in this video, so you can get paid via PayPal as well. So next, my lovable thing of this website is surveys and data collection. That is pretty easy. Simple tasks such as surveys or record your voice with your mobile device can literally make your money. Let us go and see what are the things that they are doing. Let's start in the apply section. This has been opening up. Here you can see express registrations, the project name. There will be a lot of project that is coming up in this website from different big companies. For example, this project name is Crescent. And the goal of this project is the project to tap into collective intelligence public at large. Results of the tasks will be used for in variety of applications, data annotations, multimedia, sentiments analysis. Here we can see they are taking sentiment analysis, like what are the people searching on the Google and as well search engine results. So whatever the people are searching on the Google, what are the pages that are coming up, is the pages coming up according to those search terms or not. You have to evaluate and rank according to these people, to this and give them to the same results. For example, so I have already told you earlier, if you're searching something and the same pages are coming up, you have to give it as a 3 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. If it is not coming, you can give just 1 out of 5, and you can do this each and every day, and they will give you some tasks to per hour. You can make money per hour like this that people are doing. I have shown you earlier in my starting of this video. People are literally making thousands of dollars with this way of making money from this app and website. This is a very legit website, guys, and you can make money with this as well. And one of the things is required is a computer. All people has a computer, and with a Windows 7 all as well. 3 years of registration in the country. You are living in the whichever country you are in, you can do the work from this Windows Live ID. What one pro hack I want to give you is that you can do this from your phone all as well. You need to go to Google and just go to desktop site and can do the same work from your phone as well. Next, what you need to do is for applying this job, you need to go to this section here. You need to go to appn and go for apply. This part will open up. You have to fill up all the details: first name, last name, email address, confirm email address, password, and country you live in, state, primary language, delegate as well. And you can send. This is one click and send the submit applications. Within 1 to 2 or 3 days, you will be redirected, and you get an email from this company about the work, and you can start doing this work. Literally, this is the simple way of making money online, and you have to try this one out. So if you are willing to do this, you should try this website out for making money online. Next website that I'm going to talk to you about is the Lionbridge. If you are not watching this video you need to watch this video completely. I'll be showing you exact step that you have to do for this one. Next website that I'm going to tell you is called Lionbridge. This is also an big billion dollars company. There are big billion dollar companies like Google and Bing are contacting this type of mediators websites or the companies, and these mediator companies are hiring people like us to let the work be done. Here you can see Lionbridge translation, localization, global enterprises opened up. This is a global in translation and localization company. Let us go and see what are the work we can do from this Lionbridge. So this is the website of the Lionbridge that is coming up right now for you guys. They have literally upgraded their interface, and it is looking pretty awesome, guys. The world need your content. Let us help. So whatever works, the same work you can do for it here as well. It is called search engine evaluator jobs are available. See, you can see the look of this Lionbridge website is open up. Here you can see how Lionbridge helped Canon save money, streamline operations, and migrate thousands of pages of content. Lionbridge's dedication and commitment to achieving Canon's sometimes extremely challenging deadlines has been exemplary. There are all various kind of jobs that are available here. For example, professional translator and interpreter. Meet the Pride, Mrs. Colby, Meet the Pride. There are various kind of jobs that are available. If you are a gamer, you can get a gaming jobs as well in this website. What you need to do is, this is the website that has been doing this thing. So you can see join, you can join our team. What they are doing, they are providing services and they're hiring people like you to do the services work done. So there are content services, technical writing, you can do it from here, training and e-learning, financial reports, scientific articles, multicultural marketing as well you can do. There are various jobs available in this, and I'll be showing you how can you apply for this job and they can get the job done. Linguistic Q&A, multilingual SEO, and digital marketing. And if you have some idea about Facebook ads, Google ads, you can work for them as a digital marketing solutions for them as well. There are various companies out there. Instead of the search engine evaluator as well, there are other companies, big companies out there that are outsourcing work like digital marketing, because they don't have the work, they don't have time to invest in digital marketing and all. They have some other work, they're managing other work, so they're outsourcing people like us for doing this work done. Next, you can do for translational, for like for example YouTube video, you can do this one as for translations as well. So next, what you can do is, now how I'll show you how you can import, how can you start this one, how can you just go and start doing applying for this job in this website. So what you need to do is you need to go to Indeed.com. Indeed.com is an world's renowned job hiring company. You can get any job in this website. This is called Indeed.com. You can see this one is available. Indeed, you probably would be heard. So here you can see, after going to Indeed, I am going to Lionbridge, and these are the reviews and the jobs available here. There are 38 jobs that are available. Let us see what are the jobs that they are available right now. Here you can see linguistic tester, game test associate. Same thing as you are doing for websites, you can test other games as well for them, and you can start making money as well. So next, you can see there are different works that are available in this one. Assembly tech, locational project manager. There are different jobs that are all every day, each and every day, that are coming up for people like you. And sitting at your home, you can test any game and you can just do the same thing as well as website evaluator as well. I will showing you this one, assembly tech, work for an implementation subject matters as well. You can just give and try for this website as well. You can apply on the company site as well. You click on this link on this button and you can go and apply for the jobs that are available, and within some days they can get money with these two websites. These are the two websites, legit websites. You can do work and can get paid for per hour just searching Google or doing some game evaluations, and there are lots of job available in these two websites. So give these two websites a try and let me know in the comment sections if you have any doubt. So peace out, blah blah.